Being a DJ gives you the opportunity to express yourself in a totally unique way. Not only can you share your taste and style, but you can help those around you discover new sounds. But most importantly, being a DJ means making people move. At Point Blank, you'll learn to build creative sets using innovative skills and techniques to give people experiences they'll remember. Our DJ studio is sponsored by Pioneer and it's packed full of cutting-edge equipment.
It was just a way into trying everything out. I started off on vinyl and then I moved over to CDs. Now I'm on Serato.
I wasn't in a background where people had decks in their bedrooms and stuff, so I learned from scratch, and the course basically takes you through everything.
Even if Master Tempo is on, it still lets you change the pitch.
I've had students who started literally knowing nothing. 3 months later, they're as far as I was into it after a few years.
He is so patient, really takes the time to individually work with everyone.
He definitely taught us all aspects of DJing with different genres.
He's just really good at training your ear and telling you what to look out for.
Taught by active professional DJs, you'll get the chance to learn to mix on vinyl, CD, MP3, Traktor, Serato and Ableton Live. We cater for everyone, from beginners to far more experienced DJs.
You can teach an old dog new tricks, apparently.
When you become a Point Blank student, it's not just about the time you spend here, but what happens next.
2 of the guys that were in my radio production course ended up working at Rinse with me.
There's a lot of students that have been on the course with me who I've managed to call people and say, can you take this person on? A lot of it is a recommendation situation.
We have our own contacts in the industry, and where possible, we'll hook you up with gigs.
So many students have ended up starting their own night or becoming DJ partners from meeting on the courses. That's happened countless times before.
You might all be going separate ways, doing different things, but at the end of the day, you're all